So the next one topic is the error detection and correction. In error detection and correction, data can be corrupted during transmission. We want that error be detected and corrected. So during transmission, it may be possibility that the data may be corrupted. So we have the interest to detect that error and to correct that error. So there are two type of errors: single bit error or burst error. In single bit error, only one bit of data is changed from 1 to 0 or from 0 to 1. Like that is the sender, and it is at the receiving end. So this single one bit has changed from 0 to 1. So it is a single bit error. In burst error, more than 2 or more than 2 bits change. That is the stream at the sender, and it is a stream at the receiver. So we are seeing that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bits has changed. These are the corrupted bits. 4 these bits have changed. So either from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0. So from the starting 1 bits to the ending 1 bits. This one is the starting bits which has changed, or the corrupted starting bit, and this one is the corrupted end bit. This one is known as, this one complete block is known as length of burst error. It is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 bits. So the length is the 8 bit. The length of burst is measured from the first corrupted bit to the last corrupted bit. Okay. Next one is the duration of noise is normally longer than the duration of one bit. Means it affect a set of bit. The noise is generally is of longer duration as compared to the duration for one bit. So it will affect longer duration. Burst error are more likely to occur than a single bit error. So next one is the redundancy. Redundancy is what? It is a central concept in detecting or correcting errors. What we will do in that? We will send extra bits with data. To detect or correct error, we send extra bits with data. These extra bit is known as redundant. The redundant bits are added by the sender and removed by the receiver. Sender at the transmitter, we will going to add those redundant bits, and the receiver will remove those bits. Next one, the detection versus correction. So in detection of error, we are looking only to see whether there is error occurred or not, nothing else. We are not interested in the number of errors, and we are not interested in the location of the error. We are interested only whether error has occurred or not. That is detection. Okay. In detection, we are only looking for the whether the error has occurred or not. We are not interested in the number of error, and we are not interested in the location of the error. That is detection. In correction, we are interested about the exact number of bits that are corrupted and the location and their location, because we have to correct that. The number of error and the size of message are important factor in such cases. There are method of error correction: forward error correction and retransmission. In forward error correction, receiver try to guess the message by using redundant bits. So as we send redundant bits with the message signal, so with the help of those extra bits, the receiver try to guess what is the message. So it is possible if the number of error is small. If there is a single bit error, then it is useful. Correction by retransmission. It is a technique in which receiver detect the occurrence of an error and ask the sender to resend the message. Generally, it is taken in the cases of if the number of error is large, or the burst. So what we will say, the receiver receive the message, detect the error, and if the error is more, then he will say to the sender or the transmitter to retransmit the message. Resending is repeated until a message arrives that the receiver believes is error free. रिसीवर तब तक मैसेज को दोबारा से मंगवाता रहेगा जब तक इसको ये विश्वास नहीं हो जाएगा कि भाई ये जो है मैसेज एरर फ्री है. So this is the structure of encoder and decoder. This is the sender, this is the receiver. Here the message with the help of generator, मैसेज प्लस अटेंडेंट बिट ऐड कर दी जाएंगी, दैट इज़ द एनकोडर पार्ट. और फिर इनको ट्रांसमिट कर दिया जाएगा. अनरिलायबल ट्रांसमिशन, रिसीव करेगा इन्फॉर्मेशन को, चेक करेगा कि वेदर इट इज़ correct or not. If it is correct, then it will convert back into message. If it will not correct, then it will discard and send a message to the transmitter for resend the message. So it is decoder.